Hi guys, and thanks so much for watching this never before seen footage from Skooliepalooza 2021. I absolutely fell in love with this family of four. They converted this standard size Chevy van, standard length, standard height. The dad built this in virtual reality first, and it's a very simple build, yet very complex. The whole entire van transforms. The seat that she's sitting on right there is where the two teenagers store their clothes below. Every single one of those cabinets slide open and serves a function. This transforms into the kids' bed, and that wall that you're seeing the map on pulls down, and that's where the two adults sleep. They also do all of their meals super simple out of this small rice cooker in this kitchen area. They planned on doing this for a year, and he took a sabbatical, and it's been 2. They've shut off from all social media, and they've been able to enjoy the simple life. We also toured this amazing schoolie build. Check out this woodwork in here. It truly feels like home. It's got 2 full-size couches. This wood paneling is to die for. Big screen TV up front, and truly all the comforts of home. We loved the Love Hut for Life, and make sure you go follow them on Instagram. He built this in 42 days, and it is amazing. It has every function you could need, and it's like sleeping in this Japanese den. It's amazing woodwork. It has tons of storage. It's got literally everything, but they started this. They only had 42 days to do it, and what an amazing build. These amazing Arizona sunsets are like a fire in the sky, something you'll never forget. It's just an experience. So I asked Tylee earlier if she knew what primitive survival skills were, and basically if she was lost in the wilderness with nothing, absolutely nothing but nature's supplies,
I know what I would do.
What she would do, and here's what her answer was.
I would find I would make shelter. I would find some food and some water, and that's it.
And do we know pretty good sources to find those from?
Yes, creeks, and also plants in wilderness can be very good, as long as they are not poisonous. And shelter you can make other sticks and trees, which are everywhere.
That's awesome. I'm so glad to know that my 9-year-old knew that. Yay!